write the complex number in polar form. That means r and theta. Okay, and theta is always in between 0 and 2 pi. So here this x plus yi, that's the complex number. Now we need to find r, and we know r is given by square root of x squared plus y squared. Remember, when we convert x, y in terms of r theta, the formulas are r square equals x squared plus y squared. That means r is just square root of x squared plus y squared, and tangent theta is just y over x, and we find theta, and based on x and y we find the actual angle theta. So this is now square root of negative 2 squared positive 4 plus 2 squared also 4 root 8. We need to simplify. 8 is 2 times 4. 4 is a perfect square, and square root of 4 is 2, but this stays inside 2 root 2. So let me write here 2 root 2. Next we need to find the corresponding angle theta, r theta. For we use the formula tangent theta is y over x. Okay, that is, in our case, tangent theta is y is 2 and x is negative 2, or tangent theta is 2 over negative 2, negative 1. That means tangent is now, we need to take the inverse of negative 1, inverse tangent of negative 1. But let's do better than this. Let's figure out where the complex number is. Negative 2 plus 2i, negative 2 plus 2i, 1, 2. So the complex number was here. Okay, negative 2 plus 2i. So we just found this r, which is 2 root 2, and we are now trying to find the theta. So theta should be bigger than pi over 2 and less than pi. Okay, here is the case. And we know that tangent is 1, okay, without negative sign. Tangent theta is 1, that's in the first quadrant, when theta is pi over 4. Tangent pi over 4 is 1. But we are in second quadrant. So what are the corresponding angles? So we have pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, here 5 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4, and we are here. Okay, so this is 3 pi over 4. So theta is 3 pi over 4. So the answer for this, negative 2 plus 2i, for this complex number, corresponding polar form is r is 2 root 2, comma y is theta is 3 pi over 4. Okay, now let's do the same thing for part B. The second complex number is root 3 minus I, which is same as root 3 plus negative 1i. Okay, that's like x plus yi. So we have now x and y, and we are trying to change this complex number in polar form r theta, and r is given by x squared plus y squared, which is root 3 squared 3 plus negative 1 squared positive 1, 4, and that's 2. Tangent theta is y over x, negative 1 over root 3. Okay, and this is same as we can rationalize. If you don't work with this form, we can multiply top and bottom by root 3 over 2, root 3 over root 3. That is same as negative root 3 over 3. And we know that tangent of which angle is, let's go for positive first, in the first quadrant. Okay, that's pi over 6. Okay, tangent pi over 6 is root 3 over 3. Just looking at the unit circle. Okay, tangent pi over 6 is root 3 over 3. Okay, and second quadrant, pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and here is now 11 pi over 6, and A, S, T, C. Tangent is, look at here, tangent is getting negative, so either in second or fourth. Now let's go back and check the original question. Here we have x is positive root 3, y is negative. Positive negative means positive negative. That should be in fourth quadrant. So 11 pi over 6. So from this, theta is 11 pi over 6. So this complex number in the polar form is r theta. R is 2 and theta is 11 pi over 6. Final